So welcome back to my channel. It's lovely morning, lovely weather today in Cyprus. I mean, look at this, it's January. I mean, love this place. Anyway, so you saw the video of me flying with ERA 5. I love that drone. I love it. I have it somewhere here. I was just now flying with it. I love this drone. I mean, amazing. Anyway, so today is not about the ERA 5. Today is about ERA 3.5 and ERA Mini. I mean, I'm really sorry that I didn't make the video how I was building it and this, because it was sort of like a spontaneous decision. I came back from work and I was like, yeah, what should I do? Should I fix this or that? Or it's like, okay, no, I will start to make the ERA Mini. So I built it. So it's with 04 air unit as all my drones, because unfortunately I didn't switch to whatsoever. And in this case we will be using I'm not sure if you can see, Deep Space 1505s and 3.5 HQ props. I mean, these at least was the things I had at home, so I can actually build it, and the Hack RC stack Mini. So this build is 4S. I heard some people wanting or building it with 6S, but 6S in my opinion a little bit too big for this frame. And yeah, so we'll get up in the air and we'll see how it flies. I mean, I done some hover tests at home and it was amazing, but it was hovering, I mean, and it was working. So today we will be flying and seeing how it feels when you are flying ERA Mini. I mean, but this is just a sort of like out of the topic, and even ERA 5, they are so damn compact frames. I mean, the building is not the easiest, but everything is so tight. I mean, I love it. I love this one. I mean, as a company, I'm telling you, I'm not sponsored or anything, but as I was flying already a few days with ERA, and I mean, I love it. And I put action camera on it, okay, the full-on action 4, and it's way heavier, but it flies like I don't know. And anyway, that is ERA. This is what makes maybe some other video of complete review living with ERA or whatsoever. Let's get up in the air with this small beast and see how it flies. I mean, should be okay. So let's get up. So we will be using 4S Tattoo R-Line 850s. I have 650s as well, but this time I will just want to try with these ones. So there we go. Small battery on top. Let's see. I think my goggles switched off. First flight with ERA Mini. I think my video quality is everything is rock steady. I will remove rock steady. So let's see. Battery full. Don't tell me again that there is issue with this. with this air unit as well. Anyway, low battery. Why it's showing low battery? I think that this battery is just done because this is my first battery what I ever bought for race, but I will okay, I slightly can see the one side of the canopy, but other than that, I mean, this flies amazing, and it's quiet. I love this one. Oh my god, I mean, except the battery, I mean, it's amazing. Wow. Let's kill this battery completely and fuck it. I mean, I will throw out this battery anyway, because but it's flies so amazing. I mean, I love it. I love it. And I assume that maybe if I try another props or even different motors or whatsoever, I think T-Motor will come up with special motors for this one, which is 1606, I think, or something like that. And then of course we'll need maybe to change to that one, but it's so responsive. I mean, and you can do nice cruising, and wow, I love this small thing. I mean, I love it. I love it. I mean, I'm telling you, as I fall in love with ERA from the beginning, then this is exactly the same feel of flying. I mean, wow, I love it. Fuck! Land now, my battery is just deciding that I will just kill the battery. It's 3.9, no, 3.9, 3.1, 3.2. I will just kill the battery and that's it. I'm not using this battery again because I had some issues with this battery already from the beginning. So I decided I will just kill the battery completely, but come on, I mean, first crash. Can we get up? No, the battery 1.6 1.6 battery, I mean, come on. Telemetry loss. Sorry, by the way, sorry guys, I mean, if the how to say, the sound is completely off because I'm recording with camera, because my microphone is dead. And yesterday I was thinking that, oh, should I need to charge something else or whatsoever, but I completely forgot the microphone need to be charged as well, so what to do? Anyway guys, it's so damn fun. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, and especially because this will be one of the drones which I will be taking to Latvia, and I love it. I love it how it flies. I assume that maybe with slightly heavier battery it would be a little bit better, but exactly, I will have DJI Nano, which will add some weight, and with 850s or 650 batteries, I mean, the flight time maybe would not be the longest, but I'm telling you, it feels so damn nice. I mean, all this time when I was building the drones and testing and this, no offensive to deep space, I mean, you guys are making amazing, the same, these motors, I mean, they are amazing. But now, after a year and a half in FPV, I'm starting to be like, yeah, I see what people is telling when they are telling, oh, don't go with bind and flies and this and that, build your own. But even that, still after all this year, I'm standing by it that you shouldn't be starting with build your own drone from the as your first drone. Go with bind and fly, learn to fly, learn this, and then start to build your drones. Because, and especially these ones, I mean, I love it. I love this. I love this frame. I mean, and how it flies and everything. I mean, fuck. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe got some more information how they are actually flying and this. And I think till the next time, I mean, I still have one battery left, so this one I need to a little bit warm it up because it's slightly cold. I mean, cold, I mean, it's 8 degrees. I mean, I'm going where it's minus 20, so that will be as well test for these ones to see how they are handling minus degrees and how it's flying. I mean, I love it. I love this. I love this. I mean, love this. I mean, amazing drone, ERA Mini. I mean, amazing. If you have a chance, get one. I mean, you will not regret. You will not regret. I mean, yeah, I will leave some links down below, and yeah, till the next time, thank you for watching. Bye.